How to make your Snapchat account private. Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open Snapchat app and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Now, once inside the Snapchat app, tap on the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of your screen and navigate to your profile section. There, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to the settings. Inside settings, scroll down to contact me option available there and simply tap on it. Inside contact me, select my friends instead of friends or contacts option available there to allow only friends to message or call you. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.